hit and run accidents in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. Along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of motor vehicle accidents. And I've been asked today to talk about hit and run accidents and how that works and how the system deals with that. And so I'm going to try. So I've been here at 6 Beacon Street for 38 years, and I've been practicing law since 1985. I have a lot of experience with motor vehicle accidents of all types, and of course those include hit and run accidents. So the good answer to the question of what happens is that almost everyone in Massachusetts has what's called U coverage, underinsured coverage and uninsured coverage. So someone that hits you that leaves the scene and we never can find them again. And many times we find them. These days there's security cameras everywhere, and the hit and run becomes helpful in that it shows an element of guilt, of responsibility. But if we can't find them at all, we use what's called U coverage, underinsured coverage, uninsured coverage. The person that hits you doesn't have any insurance because we can't find them. We don't know who they are. So we go through your own policy. Now, why is this important? It's important to know to buy sufficient U coverage because you could be a victim of underinsured or uninsured negligence by someone else. And people in your car could be your kids, your spouse, your someone you lend the car to. They could not have insurance, which is why you might be lending them the car. And then they don't have any coverage because the person that hit them, that hit you, is a hit and run, doesn't have any insurance. We can't find them. So make sure you have sufficient underinsured coverage. The minimum is $20,000. So at the very least, if you're seriously injured, your coverage will pay for $20,000 plus PIP, personal injury protection, which is the no-fault part of your policy. But what you really want is someone can look at your case, look at the big picture of your case. Can we find this guy? If we can, great. Now we have someone to go after. If we can't, then we go after your U coverage. How do you do that? How do you go after your own insurance company? You can't sue yourself. So it's a process that's stated in the insurance policies and that we go through. And again, I've been doing for 40 years here in Massachusetts. So if you're injured, if some loved one, family member, has been injured by a motor vehicle accident, hit and run accident, underinsured or uninsured vehicle, give us a call. We're aggressive, we're effective, and we care about our clients. It's a free initial consultation. Call 617-227-7423. Thank you.